Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Ankr coin. What surprise changes occur in the Ankr coin. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. So guys, the currently live price of the Ankr coin in the market, you can see here 0.098899 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Ankr coin in the market. Other side, if you look the changes of the Ankr coin, so you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 1 week changes occurred in Ankr coin is positive. Only guys, from the latest situation, I'm talking about the latest situation. The latest situation of the Ankr coin is negative, and except of the latest situation, the previous, you can see here last 1 week changes of the Ankr coin is positive. So guys, now a lot of people ask me questions about Ankr coin, that possibilities that the price will increase more or not. So guys, we can't say about the future, but let's do a technical analysis. Now guys, you can see here, if you look the changes here, so the price taken a pump, again dump. So guys, you can see here from yesterday the price very badly decreased, and after you can see today the latest situation is positive, going positive in the market. So guys, personally, I believe that after falls there is a jump. After falls there is a jump, and if we do a technical analysis, so let me show you guys. You can see here there is a resistance and there is a support line. So they continue and travel between these two lines. So absolutely they have to either take a pump. The upcoming time is a good time for all Ankr coin holders. Just hold, never decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates.